Standards News Update. Here are the top stories. Rajya Sabha adjourned twice after an uproar. India to ask US for orderly exit from QE at G20. US Senate revises Syria resolution, bars ground troops. Now the news in detail. The Rajya Sabha was adjourned twice during pre-noon sitting today following an uproar over the demand for Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi's resignation, missing coal block allocation files, and demand by the Samajwadi Party and Bahujan Samaj Party for reservation in promotions in government jobs. Congress members were on their feet displaying banners that read Chief Minister Gujarat must resign in the wake of charges levelled by suspended IPS officer DG Banzara. To counter them, BJP MPs led by Ravi Shankar Prasad raised the issue of CBI investigating officer reportedly wanting to question the Prime Minister over the missing files related to coal block allotments, done when he was also in charge of the coal ministry. As the rupee is being hammered, Prime Minister Manmohan Singh will prod US President Barack Obama to go for orderly exit from quantitative easing instead of sudden withdrawal at the upcoming G20 meeting in St. Petersburg, Russia. Leaving for the Russian city to take part in the two-day G20 leadership summit from tomorrow, Singh said he will emphasize the need for orderly exit from the unconventional monetary policies being pursued by the developed world for the last few years. The US Senate Foreign Relations Committee has reached an agreement on a revised resolution authorizing military action in Syria, setting a time limit and barring US ground troops in the war-torn country. The draft agreed upon by the committee's chairman Robert Menendez and Republican ranking member Bob Corker sets a time limit of 60 days on US military action in Syria, with the option for a single 30-day extension. The resolution also states that no US troops will be deployed for combat operations in Syria, reports from Xinhua said. Menendez said that the committee could hold a vote on the resolution today. That's all we have for now. Keep watching the space for more news updates. Thank you.